Welcome to Good Food. Here you can find vegetarian and vegan food recipes. In this video we are going to see how to cook green peas pulav. It's an authentic Indian rice dish made from basmati rice, green peas, coconut milk and some whole spices. It goes very well with raita or any curry. It can be served as a regular or party menu. Let's see the ingredients needed for this recipe.
1 cup basmati rice. Today I'm using 2.5 cups of basmati rice. So I'll explain you the ingredients for 1 cup rice. So 1 cup basmati rice which is soaked for minimum 10 minutes. Don't soak it for more than 30 minutes. Today I've drained, so soaked and drained 1 cup basmati rice. Half cup of small onions. Today I'm using big onions, so I've got half cup onions. And for seasoning, 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom sticks and 2 cloves. And for 1 cup basmati rice I'm using 1 cup of green peas. You can use fresh green peas. Today I'm using frozen one. And for making a fine paste, I've used 4 green chilies, half inch of ginger, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 2.5 tablespoons of shredded coconut and 10 small onions, but I've used big onions. You can use the small onions if you want. So these will be made into a fine paste. 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. And 2 tablespoons of ghee. And you need, for 1 cup basmati rice, you will need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of coconut milk. Today I'm using a coconut milk powder to make a coconut milk. I don't have a fresh milk. So for 1 cup of coconut milk, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Mix it with a warm water. So you'll get for 1 cup coconut milk, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Let's start the cooking. Now heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add the drained basmati rice. Just saute it for 2 minutes. The reason for sauteing the basmati rice is when the rice is being cooked, it won't be broken. Done. You can take the rice now. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you can add, for seasoning, 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom sticks and 2 cloves. Then you can add just saute it. Now you can add the onions. Now you can add the green peas. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, we can grind these into a fine paste. Now add 10 small onions, 4 green chilies, 8 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger and 2.5 tablespoons of coconut and grind it to make a fine paste. I'm using a blender today. You can use if you have got a mixer. Just add a bit of water to make it a fine paste. You can add just 1/4 cup of water.
I think the Taste is fine now. I'm going to add these to the sauteed green peas and the onion.
We have added half cup of water to grind the paste. So when you're cooking to cook the rice, the proportion might change. Now we have added the paste. Saute it till the raw smells go.
I think meantime I can get the coconut milk ready. Now I'm going to get the coconut milk ready. I'm adding hot water from the kettle. This is
As we are preparing for 2.5 cups of rice, our measurement is a bit more. So for 1 cup of basmati rice, you will need 1 cup of plain water and 1 cup of coconut milk. So I repeat again, so for 1 cup of coconut milk, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder and 1 cup of hot water. To stir it well, make sure you don't have any lumps on the water. If you wish, if you want to have more thick coconut milk, you can add a bit of coconut milk powder more. Now the paste is being sorted well. I can feel the good aroma coming. So it's time to add the coconut milk. And you can add the plain water. Now add salt. For 1 cup, you will need 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 2.5 cups of rice, so it's my proportion. So for 1 cup rice, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to your taste. Mix it well. Make the water to come to boil. Now the water has come to boil. It's time to add the rice now. Now you can switch off the flame after 10 minutes and don't open the lid immediately. Leave for 15 minutes. I have left for 15 minutes. Now it's time to open for me. Now the pulao is ready. It's ready to serve. Now it's time to serve. Hot green peas pulao. You can serve it with raita, Today I'm using onion raita. You can use cucumber raita or tomato raita. Kids will really love it.